Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, dual moonroof, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.